Welcome to the channel. This is where we don't just show acne and blackhead removal. We explain what's really happening under your skin. Because most people see the surface, but they don't understand the cause.
Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see might change the way you treat your skin forever. Those tiny black dots on your nose? Most people try to squeeze them the wrong way and end up damaging their skin. But today, you'll learn what blackheads really are, why they appear, and how to deal with them safely and effectively. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed those tiny dark dots on your nose or cheeks, and wondered what they really are? Those are called blackheads. And today, we're not just removing them, we're going to understand them. Because clear skin is not about force, it's about knowledge. Blackheads are a type of acne known as open comedones. They form when your pores get clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and impurities. Unlike whiteheads, blackheads stay open on the surface, and when exposed to air, they oxidize, turning dark. So that black color? It's not dirt. It's a natural chemical reaction. Blackheads don't just appear randomly. There are a few key reasons: excess oil production, especially if you have oily skin, poor cleansing habits, using heavy or pore clogging products, hormonal changes, and even stress can play a role. Understanding the cause is the first step to treating the problem correctly. Now, let's talk about removal. Important note, this process should always be done gently and carefully. First, the skin is cleansed to remove surface dirt and oil. Then, steam is applied to open the pores, making extraction easier and safer. Next comes extraction. Using clean tools or tissues, gentle pressure is applied around the blackhead. No force, no damage. If it doesn't come out easily, it's better to leave it. Because forcing it can cause inflammation, scarring, or even infection. Here's what you should avoid. Do not use your nails aggressively, do not squeeze repeatedly, do not use dirty tools, and never try to remove deep blackheads at home without proper care. Skincare is not about speed, it's about consistency. Prevention is where real skincare begins. Clean your face twice a day using a gentle cleanser, exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin, use non-comedogenic products, stay hydrated, and maintain a balanced diet. Ingredients like salicylic acid can help clean pores from the inside. Consistency is more powerful than any quick fix. Sometimes, blackheads can be stubborn. That's where professional treatments come in. Dermatologists and skincare specialists use safe tools, controlled techniques, and hygienic environments. If your skin is sensitive or acne is severe, professional care is always the better option. And here's something most people don't realize. Removing blackheads is not a one-time solution. If you don't fix the habits that cause them, they will keep coming back again and again. Real skincare is a routine, not a quick fix. But there's a deeper layer that most people ignore: your skin barrier. When you over-extract, over-clean, or use harsh products, you weaken your skin's natural protection. And when that happens, your skin produces even more oil to compensate, which leads to more blackheads. It becomes a cycle. That's why balance is everything. Instead of attacking your skin, focus on supporting it. Use gentle cleansers that don't strip your natural oils. Add lightweight moisturizers to keep your skin hydrated. And always protect your skin with sunscreen, because sun damage can make pores look bigger and worsen skin texture over time. Another powerful tip? Avoid constantly touching your face. Your hands carry bacteria, oil, and dirt that easily transfer to your pores, making blackheads worse without you even realizing it. And if you're using skincare products, give them time. Results don't happen overnight. Real improvement comes from consistency over weeks, not hours. Also, pay attention to how your skin reacts. Not every product works for everyone. What works for oily skin may not work for sensitive or dry skin. Learning your skin type is one of the smartest things you can do. Because once you understand your skin, you stop guessing, and you start improving. And remember, blackheads are completely normal. Almost everyone has them at some point. So don't chase perfection. Chase healthy habits. At the end of the day, skincare is not about removing every imperfection, it's about building a routine that your skin can trust. Be gentle with your skin. Be patient with your progress. Because real results don't come from force, they come from consistency, care, and understanding. And that's how you truly take control of your skin.
If you made it this far, you now understand that acne removal is not just about what you see, it's about how you treat your skin every single day. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more real, valuable skincare content. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest mistake you've been making with your skin? See you in the next video.